4 dead in Darjeeling as Dudia iron bridge collapses. Landslides cut off roads amid heavy rain. IMD alert for more heavy rainfall, increased risk of flood and landslide. Toll in cough syrup linked deaths in MP and Rajasthan rises to 14. Doctor who prescribed the medicine arrested. Centre steps up alert on children's deaths linked to cough syrup in MP and Rajasthan. To hold video conference with states today, CDSCO to write to Tamil Nadu FDA for action against Coldrif maker. Madras High Court directs SIT probe into Karur incident. IGP Asra Garg leads team with IPS officers Vimala and Shamala Dev. Election Commission to review Bihar Assembly poll preparedness with enforcement officials in Patna. Media briefing scheduled for 2 p.m. President Trump says Israel has agreed to an initial withdrawal line in Gaza, calls the development a major step towards ending what he describes as a 3,000-year catastrophe. Netanyahu says a full Gaza hostage release could come within days as Egypt talks push forward under Trump's peace plan.